Hey y'all, say y'all, it's your boy Obinna, back with another video. Alright, this is my wave part 2 video. Remember in my previous video, I said that I was gonna show you what product to apply after doing the washing style method. And I hope all of y'all that are watching this part 2 have done it. If you're trying to do it, you did. But if you're not trying to, but just trying to learn, please watch the video. But before we get to that, we know when I went to school, in those days, my friends used to say, "Damn, Obinna, your waves are looking sexy." Like your waves are swimming. It shows that my washing style actually works. That my washing style actually works. So you better try it out. So before we get to that, please make sure that you subscribe, hit the like button, share and comment down below for what other videos you might want me to do next. I'm trying to do the most, and I know I'm getting at least above 100 views, but let's try and subscribe. I'm trying to reach 1k. That's my main goal, to reach 1k. And you're gonna be the different levels, like as Willie says, these different levels. So with that being said, let's begin. So one thing I've noticed when my friends told me is that, "Damn boy, your video is too long." I mean, yeah, 25 minutes. Tell me, is it that long? Comment down below in the comment section. Is my video too long to watch? 25 minutes. It used to be like watching a freaking movie for 1 hour, 2 hours. No, 25 minutes is too long. But alright, I won't complain about that shit. So what I'll be doing is that I'll just summarize about part 1. So that's why this my part 2 video is gonna be a little bit longer. So if you're watching, don't leave. Don't leave. Watch the whole video. Make sure to watch the whole video. What you're gonna do is that you're gonna wet your hair, right? So this is gonna be a quick summary. But if you really wanna, do the proper, I'm just gonna maybe cut some parts, because this video is basically based for part 2, not for part 1. But I'm just doing it for the sake of summarizing part 1, in case you don't have time, just wanna know what I do in that video. You dig? So in that video, previously what I was doing was that I wetted my hair. I did actually 3 washing. So I did first wash with shampoo, I rinsed it off. Second wash, added shampoo. And then during the first wash, I saw that there wasn't much leather because your hair was dirty, and basically that first wash is to remove all the dirt from your hair. Then the second wash, there was a little bit of leather on my hair. Then the third wash is where I saw a little bit of more leather, meaning that my hair is definitely clean and I could proceed with the process. So after doing the third wash, the second wash, and I applied the third shampoo. I applied shampoo as my third time. And so I basically took my brush and I brush, for 10 minutes. Make sure you brush, so basically you could brush forward 10 times. I want you 1 2 3 4 no 20 times, I beg your pardon. So 20 times 1 2 3 4 5 10, 1 2 3 4 5 10, 1 2 3 to 10, 1 2 3 with 10. So that's what I basically used to do. Or you could use minutes, so 1 minute each side. And then when it's 5 minutes left, you could just brush everywhere to get, and make sure you also focus on your crown. Then basically I took my Durag, put it on, and then tied not that tight, because you don't know great line on your hair. So I just put on my Durag, and then went to the shower to rinse off the shampoo off my hair. But make sure that the Durag stays on your hair when you're rinsing off the shampoo. I beg your pardon. When you're rinsing off the shampoo off your head. And so basically, when I was done with that, I took a towel, started patting my hair to dry my hair up, and then basically took a bath. So I have a bath which makes my hair dry quicker. And this is a bath for marks, so I can also use as a Durag. So I used it, I tied around my hair, and then used it, and then I waited for my hair to get dry, and then that's basically the whole of part 1. But you see, I skipped some things because I don't wanna waste time in part 2, you dig? So make sure you go and watch part 1, you could just like skip. I'm gonna put a time lapse so where you could like skip to the parts you wanna watch, instead of like seeing me, rush, you dig? Alright, so part 2. With that being said, let's begin. No, I actually don't support Ronaldo, I support Messi. I'm a fan of Messi, but Liverpool's the way. Alright, okay, this is all about soccer. Please don't leave because you're thinking about soccer. Alright, so basically the first product you're gonna need is the one and only Sporting Wave. You basically have to stay with the Durag on for 30 minutes or overnight to have a effective hair or effective. That one word. No. Effective. Okay. Perfect hair. Yeah. So the other product is like here. Is like around SA. So it's called Musuku. So I think that's how in overseas, UK or America, they call it Kantu. Yeah, that's the name of the product. So Kantu is the name of the product that I think that is most popular. So it's a shea butter, so like it's the same thing, but it's like a different name. So if you could see Kantu, buy the product, but make sure it says shea butter. So this is mine. Or if you can see Nasuku, that's the one I use for curly natural hair. That's the one I use, Nasuku, as you can see. Shea butter. So I want you to buy a cream that says shea butter. So you could put Nasuku or Kantu. And your hair food, a product that helps to grow your hair, so it grows your hair quicker for you to be able to reach the whole thing process quicker. It makes your hair stronger and healthy. So basically what you wanna do is to apply the products. So let's begin. So this is basically when the washing style. Basically after watching my video, and letting your hair dry off, like make sure that your hair is completely dried off before taking off your durag, because you could mess up your petting that you are doing with your brush, the petting. So when you sure that your hair is completely dry, I want you to untie your durag. Look at that. No wonder my friends said that Obinna waves are swimming. Huh? Look at that. The waves are looking sexy. I won't lie. They're looking sexy. They're swimming like the ocean. So that's the process of me, doing the washing style. It's not like as if I get it one day. It's like, yes, you watch my part 1 video. It doesn't mean that you're gonna get it like that. Let's say you do it, let's say for 4 or 5 times, you can start seeing wave developing, So you do this as like a routine. You skip the brush, do a washing style, you do that, taking care of your hair. So you're gonna get. But I still need to work on my folks. That's one. It all look cool, but that's what people say. If you have fork, you don't have proper waves. I don't even know I have proper waves. James at my school keep telling me that this is proper waves, not like lost to me. What I'm gonna apply is shea butter. So I want you to take a little bit on your hands. So this is how much is white. I want you to take a little bit on your hands. Okay, so this is the amount I want you to take. Or if your hair like a little bit big, and you take more. Your hair is a little small, you take less. Alright, you take. So I want you to take. Just rub it on your hand. Rub it. I want you to apply it on your head. Make sure you get every part of your hair, because you want to make sure that this shea butter gets everywhere to make your hair healthy and strong. Just like read at the back of the product what it does. Leave-in conditioner, nutrition, whatever. But it will help your waves to stay healthy and strong. Start applying that. Make sure you apply it everywhere. Our next product is gonna be our pomade, alright, or Sporting Wave. I want you to get an amount of pomade. Yes. So basically, pomade is not for you to be using it every time you wake up or every time you're brushing. Pomade is what I do is that after I'm done with my washing style, that is when I apply pomade. Because pomade it's not like a product where you apply it every time. It's a good product to apply after doing washing style, but that's for me. It's not like it's just seeing improvements of the waves, So what I'm saying that you shouldn't apply the pomade every time when you wake up from bed and you wanna brush and then you apply pomade. You could do that, but I'll still make a part 3 video explaining every product and why you need that and that and that. It's just to show you what I apply on my head. This is part 2 to show you what I apply on my head. I want you to rub on your head like Vaseline, I want you to rub on your head and apply everywhere in your head. Make sure you get every single part of your hair. Make sure you rub. It's starting to look sexy. Oh dang, boy. And then our last one is our hair food. It helps our hair to grow. Hair growth, that's what I basically call it. Hair growth around you to around. And you apply it on your head. So I basically have applied 3 products: shea butter, pomade, and hair food. So I need to rub and rub. When you're done, I want you to get sorry. In my part 1 video, I was showing y'all that I don't actually have proper wave brush. No, I do have the one for hard, but still trying to get the medium and the soft brush. I'm still ordering that. I don't have like a proper medium and a soft brush, but I still have waves. I still use my medium brush. It's like as I wake up in the morning, I brush my hair before I go to sleep. Look at that. That's proper wave. So this is actually my hard brush. This is my medium brush. Basically, I have a soft brush. So this brush is actually it has been on journey with me. Especially this one. This is like my baby. It's the one that's helping me get that wave flow today. So I don't have a proper brush. I should get wave today, but I have a proper wave brush. So make sure that you have a maybe proper hard brush. So let's have Durag. So after applying the shampoo and then when I'm done brushing, I put on this Durag and then I go and wash off my hair. And then when I'm done washing off the shampoo of my hair, and then I'll be waiting for my hair to dry off. Sort of waiting, I also apply another Durag on my hair. I basically have 2 Durag. So when you're done with your washing style, you apply your Durag, wait for it to get dry, apply those 3 products: shea butter, pomade, and the hair food. And when you're done, I want you to get your medium brush if you have one. You're still ordering. You get your medium brush and I want you to brush throughout. So you're gonna brush. And when you're brushing, you can feel like a bump. So that's like a bump. It's like bumps. Like that shows that you got proper waves. But since I'm basically like a mid-term waver, so I'm getting there to have what I call completely. Continue to work on my frogs and on my crown. Please don't forget to comment down below and tell me what pushing P means. I actually need to know, Alright, so that's basically it. And after brushing, applying those 3 products, and after brushing your hair, I've yet applied the plastic method, and that thing actually works for me. That's how I'm still having this cold wave. So what I want you to do after brushing your hair with the medium brush, I want you to take a plastic bag. It doesn't have to be that big. So I want you to go all over your head for at least like 3 minutes. So after brushing, so please brush for 5 minutes. Sorry. So brush for 5 minutes. After brushing, get a plastic bag, rub on your hair, and you'll be feeling like the waves depending on the stage you are. And you wait for at least 3 minutes, wake your Durag. When you're done, I think you're only gonna need 1 Durag. But it depends on the size of your hair. So if your hair is like an afro, you could use 2 Durag, because that is giving you extra compression towards your hair, making it lay low. So my hair, the size of my hair, I beg your pardon, the size of my hair isn't that big, so I'm just gonna use one Durag. And if it's like your first time watching Wave, and now you don't know how to tie the Durag, and I was like, go and watch me part one video. That's why I show you how to do everything. See, because here basically I'm just showing you what product to apply. It is. I don't like these flaps like you're like a Superman or something. Like your head is like Superman. But I don't like that shit. If you like it, you can do that. But I don't like it. So what I used to do, if you like me, you dig. So if you run like this, you can roll up, like you see girls on movies rolling up their hair when they're angry. I want you to roll up your hair, and then I want you to tie it up like a knot. Tie two times, I just tied once. And yeah, that's basically it of part 2. Well done for staying with me. If you did, I hope you did. And I also explained part 1, so I want at least this video to hit a bang, like bang bang. So I wanted to maybe just see which, so a little bit of, let's get maybe 200 likes on this video. No, not 200 likes, let's aim high. 200 likes on this video, come on, 200 likes. If you're watching, please subscribe also to my channel, because you can't be watching and then you don't subscribe, because I still have more interesting videos coming out, interesting, so make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss out on my part 3 video. Turn on your notification button and make sure whenever you see my video, you go immediately watch it, subscribe. If you already subscribed, just hit the like button, share, and then comment down. And basically those questions I've been asking you during the video, please can you try answering them. This place is a safe place to answer. You got no right or wrong answers. And that's basically it of part 2. I think I'll see you next time on my other video. So my other video, I can't tell you, it's a surprise. So make sure you subscribe if you're new to the channel. Hit the like button or smash the like button. Turn on your notification button. Bell, I beg your pardon, bell. Comment down for what other videos you might want me to do next, I'm doing for the people, by the people. And cheers.